Hey there! Today, I'll show you how to create a super cool AI avatar like this one. You might think it's complicated, but with the right tools, it's actually easier than you'd expect. Let's dive in. The first thing I generated was the avatar itself. Using Google ImageFX, I created a character that looks unique and ready for content creation. With just a few clicks, I adjusted the style and made it come to life. Next, I needed some realistic props to complete the scene, so I generated a laptop, a desk, and a microphone, each element designed to fit perfectly with the avatar's vibe. These props give the character that tech-savvy content creator look. Then I created a stunning background, a high-tech room with a beautiful cityscape view to make the scene look even cooler. It sets the right mood and makes the avatar feel like they're in a futuristic workspace. Once I had all the pieces, I used CapCut to combine everything into one cohesive image. It's an easy way to bring together the avatar, props, and background into the final polished look. Now, for the finishing touch, I went to 11 Labs to create a voiceover. With just a few steps, I gave the avatar a realistic, engaging voice to make it come alive. And there you have it. From avatar to background to voice, creating an AI avatar setup like this is easier than you'd think. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial like this video and comment below, I'd be happy to make a detailed guide for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips and tricks.